Hello everybody, Joe Goodhue here, Hilton and Hyland. Had the pleasure today of showing you a sneak peek at my newest listing here in the beloved North Montana neighborhood of Santa Monica, California on this beautiful January day here. This house is special, let me tell you. It just went through a heavy remodel. I mean over $300,000 of work, painting, all of the floors, all of the bathrooms. You're about 7 houses north of Montana Ave. What more could you like? Let me tell you a little bit about this beautiful home here. It is a spacious 5-bed, 7-bath property on a 7,500 square foot lot, fit for a family that wants to call Santa Monica their home in the new decade. What's really important about this property is that we actually help the seller through the remodeling process with the landscaping. We had our floor contractors, the whole nine. A lot of people can just put a sign in the yard, but we actually guide the sellers through the process to make sure that they get the most for the property in the shortest amount of time. As many of you may know, North of Montana has an incredible walkability score. You are literally moments away from an abundance of delicious restaurants and posh boutiques to enjoy in all of your shopping pleasures. We are on 12th Street, meaning we are 12 blocks away from the Pacific Ocean, biking, walking distance to the beach. This is the Franklin School District, one of the best on the west side. This neighborhood is very family oriented, very safe with security patrolling the streets. And this property is in particular special because it's massive. In-ground pool, grassy backyard. It's ready for someone to take over and start the new decade in a new home. Come on in and let me show you around.